Good morning, all of you. Welcome to today's class. This is the second video of narration. Let's discuss in detail converting direct speech into indirect speech. Now, see the two ways of the sentences, direct speech and indirect speech. What is direct speech? Actual words are quoted of the speaker, and the actual words are enclosed or written in inverted commas. See here, these are the actual words. This is direct speech. She said to me, I am playing. So, said to is reporting verb. Are we reporting verb? So, what is indirect speech? Actual words are transformed, changed, and they are not enclosed in inverted commas. Now, look one example. She said to me that she was playing. So, this is indirect speech. Inverted commas are removed, and we have written that. Now, things you should keep in mind, things you should know to change the direct speech into indirect speech. First is subject and object in reporting verb, then pronouns, then tense. See one example. Let's discuss subject and object. Sazia said to John, Sazia is speaking here and she is talking to John. So she is the doer, she is speaking, and she is the main doer in the sentence, and John is receiving whatever Sazia is speaking. So this is the main, so this is the subject, and he is receiving, he is object. So subject is Sazia and object is John. Point of view. So point of view means the from the way of, or we can say from the side of person who is speaking. So there are 3 point of view, first, second and third. Now see one example. Suppose Ravi and Seema are sitting in one room, they are talking, and Sazia is not present there. They are talking about Sazia. So he is saying I, or he's saying something about Sazia, and he is saying to Seema. So I, this is first person and subject. Seema is you, this is second person, object can be, and this is third person about whom they are talking. So third person is she. So there is no change of third person. So see here, this is I, this is you, and this is she. This is chart of pronouns given to you in detail. First person, second person, and third person when we do not change while changing into indirect speech. Let's discuss the steps to convert a direct speech into indirect. There are 6 steps. First is to identify the things. What you have to identify? What is reporting verb? We have to write that, which pronouns are given, which tense is given, and how to change some specific words of date and time. This change will be there if the reporting verb is given in past tense, and if the reported speech is not the universal truth. If these will not be there, if the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, we will not make the changes of tense. Okay, and if the reported speech is universal truth. Now, for example, he said to me, he said to me, in inverted commas, sun rises in east. So sun rises in east is universal truth. What will we do? We will not change the tense of this sentence. Reported speech, sun rises in the east. Only we will change pronouns or verbs. So what we have to identify? Subject, object, reporting verb, first, second, third person pronouns, and tense. Now we will discuss change of reporting verb. Reporting verb said to will be changed into told, said into that, say to into tell, and says to tells. For example, she said to me, inverted commas, I am coming today. So she said to me. Said to is reporting verb. Said to will be changed into told. And if there will be said, she said, inverted commas, I am coming. So said will remain same. If say to is given, tell. Says to is given, then tells. Now see change of pronoun. First person will be changed into subject. Second person will be changed into object, and there will be no change of third person. SON. This acronym we will learn when we change direct into indirect. So S for subject, O for object, and N for no change. This we will see. First, we will see which pronouns are given in inverted comma. Okay, if there will be first person, then we will see which subject is given in reporting verb. Then we will see in inverted commas which pronoun is given. If there is second person pronoun, then directly we will see the object given in reporting verb. And if there is third person pronoun, then there is no need to change. Now the tenses. Three parts of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. All these three are having four parts: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. This is a chart of change of tense is given here. Simple present into past, simple past. Okay, simple continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Now this is rule of present tense and past tense. Simple past, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, no change. In future, will and shall will be changed into would or should. Again, this is in this case, these are the two things where we will not change the tense. If reporting verb is in present or future, we will not change the tense given in reported speech. And if the sentence is universal truth or habitual or fact in reported speech, then we will not change the tense. We will change only pronouns or words, but we will not change the tenses. Now see one example. They said we will plan a picnic tomorrow. So we will discuss here the 6 steps. First we have to identify that they is subject, and if it is written they said to them, then them will be object. Said is reporting verb, and we is first person pronoun. Or what is the tense? Simple future. Now said will remain same. Replace commas with that. Then we will write they said that. Then pronoun we will be changed. This is first person pronoun according to subject. So we will write here in place of we will write they, and will be changed into would. The word tomorrow, this will be changed into the next day. So the sentence will be they said that they would plan a picnic the next day. Now see here another example of universal truth. The teacher said to the students, the sun rises in east. So what is subject? The teacher. What is reporting verb? Said to. What is object? Students. And because it is universal truth, so there will be no change of tense, and we will replace comma with that. So what will be the sentence up to this? The teacher told the students that. This will remain same. The sun rises in the east. One more example. He says to me, I am running. So identification is he is subject, me is object, and says to is reporting verb, and first person pronoun is I. So says to will be changed into tells. Replace with that. Sentence will be she tells me that. I will be changed into he. She tells me that he is running. I think it's clear to you. Okay, thank you for watching video. Be healthy, be happy.